Yesterday, I came across someone and they mentioned to me that they didn't have an emergency fund. And I was like, for real? So, that means that's going to make me keep on doing these videos on these 52-week savings challenge, where we're taking small amounts of money every time we get some money, putting away to the side and saving it, and it'll add up over time. I'm just trying to inspire someone, encourage someone to start saving for emergency. Did you know an emergency, if it comes, it can wipe you out? But we don't want that to happen. We want to be ready when emergency comes. So, join me in this 52-week savings challenges where we can save money and we can be ready and we can have money to tap into. So, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenges, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund, which is very important to have. Like I said, did you know you could have an emergency and it can wipe you out? But we don't want that to happen. And we're going to be ready and we're going to be prepared, because we're going to take small amounts of money every time we get some money. We're going to put it away to the side and save it, and it's going to add up over time. Yes, it is. Like this savings challenge here. I have 7 savings challenges, and and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 7, which I do on Sundays. Now, y'all, I missed Saturday's savings challenge, and I missed Friday's savings challenge. Oh, I tell you. And one day, I think it was Friday, I'll put up Wednesdays and Thursdays savings challenge. So I'm trying to stay on track, y'all. But you know, if you're following me and a video doesn't come up that day or whatever, don't stop doing what you're doing. Keep doing. I'll either maybe do it the next day. If I miss Tuesday, I may do it Wednesday. And if I don't do it Wednesday, I'll just do it the next Tuesday, the next following Tuesday, and I'll double it. Okay? I'm trying to be patient, consistent, and disciplined, because that's what we need to do. Constantly be adding to this and being disciplined by not spending it, like going shopping, buying things we don't need. Yeah. Okay. So, I don't know. I may do Saturdays today. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, this is a new week. This is this is a 52-week savings challenge, and I believe we're on week number 34, I believe. Let me see, that was 32, 33. Yeah, this is week 34. Yeah, see how this year is getting by? And if you haven't been doing this, you know, you're missing out. You know? One thing about it, we always somehow get money. We don't want to spend it like there's no tomorrow, because there is tomorrow. And we want to spend it like nothing is never going to happen, or, you know, not that we look for these things to happen, but it's nothing wrong with being prepared. Have you ever seen ants in the summertime gathering food? Well, they're storing up food for the winter. You know, we have to have sense like that. And, you know, now locusts, what they do, they eat up everything. But we want to have ant sense. You know, we want to store up our money. You know, like they're storing up food. So yeah, we are going to take small amounts of money like this. Okay, now this savings challenge, what you need is some change. Yeah, and a jar, something like this. It doesn't have to be this. This was a cheese ball jar. You can find something else. You know, for Christmas we get like things like those cans of popcorn and cookies and, you know, things like that. Find something around the house. Or like if you have a pickle jar, you can clean it out and use it. Something like that, you know, to just get you started. But this was a jar that had cheese balls in it. And what really made me get it when I saw it was the color, because red and purple and green are my favorite colors. Yeah. Okay? All right. So we're going to, oh yeah. Now, why do we want to save money for emergency? You don't want to have to go out and get one of these. I did do some of the cards over, not all of them. You don't want to have to go out and get this, and run up a bunch of these. Okay? Yeah. You want to stay out of this. Except for if it's good this. Not bad this. Okay? Good this helps you to get passive income. Bad this keeps you in a hole and keeps you from being financially free. Don't you want to be financially free? Staying in this is going to keep you from being financially free. Yeah. All right? Okay. And one thing that will help if you come out of this. Let me tell you, I paid mine off last year, around the beginning of 2024, around, I think March, April, I believe. February, March, April, somewhere in there, I can't remember. It is so nice not have to pay this. I don't care that I'm driving a 2018 Range Rover. I drive the Evoque, the little smaller one. When I bought it in 2021, it was 3 years old. And it had 60,000 miles on it. Now it just hit 108,000 miles. I just basically go back and forth to work. Now, anything that I need to do is like where I work. Like I work near a Walmart, a Costco's, a Menards. If I need to go to the mall, I work by a mall. If I need to go in somewhere like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, Academy Sports, Burlington, Target, all those stores are where I work. So like what I do after work, I go to the store, do my errands. So that's why I'm not doing putting a lot of miles on my car, okay? Now, even where I live near Walmart, Target, all those same stores except for, now, I do have it is a Menards and not a Costco, but they're still close enough to my house anyway. I'm like in the middle of where I work, where the Costco is. I'm like, I work near a Costco, but I'm not too far away from where I live, that same Costco. So yeah, I don't care that I'm, like I said, driving a 2018 Range Rover Evoque because it's paid for. I love that about my car. All I gotta do is keep it serviced. I was just telling somebody the other day, before I get in a bunch of debt, I'll have that one painted or have it wrapped or something. It'll be way less money than buying another one. As long as it's running, I'm finna stay out of that debt. Yeah, forget that. I ain't trying to keep up with nobody. I don't care what nobody's saying, what nobody think. I don't care. Because when you get through, they not going to pay anything on it. They not going to help you or nothing. And I I don't have to get on here begging and borrowing for anything, begging nobody to pay nothing for me. No. Okay, yeah. Now that I got my fuss on. Okay, and if you do whatever you can to come out of this, that will help also. Yeah. Okay, so this is a great savings challenge if you're in this situation. And if you're in this situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Like, there's ways to make extra money. You want to have more than one way to make money. You want to have multiple streams of income. And if you're in this situation, this is a great savings challenge. Or if you're in this situation, it's a great savings challenge. Okay? All right, because we're working with small amounts of money. Now, I'm not going through. Okay, so today, okay, at first, what I was doing was just putting random amounts of change. Whatever I could get my hands on, that's what I was doing. But I decided I want to start putting $35 worth of change in here every Sunday. Because what I'm going to try to do is get this up to $1,000 by the end of this year. And what was in here, plus what I'm going to be adding, will come up to, it wasn't quite 1,000, but I'm going to have to maybe like increase it a little bit. Yeah. So, because we know we need to save at least $1,000, and then we'll cover Mercy up to $1,000. But we want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses in case something like this happens. Now, if something like this happens and you don't have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, you can't pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone. If you got this, and if you got this, and if you got this, you can't pay these things. But if you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, you can still keep things going. And that's what it's all about until your finances, until your situation changes. Okay? All right. So I have here 10, 20, 30, $30 worth of quarters and $5 worth of change. I'm not going to count it because I already counted it. Just trust me. This is $5 worth of change. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and add this. I'm going to go ahead and open these up and drop this in here. I hadn't been doing that, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, come on. That's 10. Oh. 20. 30. And 5. 35. I had 2 people to tell me, you make saving money fun. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with having fun. Okay? All right, so, let me go ahead and record. I want to say I'm so happy that you all are joining me where's my words, in these savings challenges. And I'm happy that they're helping. Okay, like I said, this is week 34. And today is Sunday, August 17th. And this is our money jar savings challenge. We added, how much we had? $35. Okay, the total amount is $310 because last Sunday it was $275. See how this is adding up? Now, I hope you all, if you're not doing this savings challenge, I hope you're doing something. Okay, so drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or if you're doing any other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.